Using a swipe card is a convenient way for users to log into your Sapaad POS without having to remember their username and password. In this video, we'll show you how to implement swipe cards for users in Sapaad POS. Before we begin, ensure that your POS machine is equipped with a magnetic stripe reader, or MSR. Additionally, you will need to purchase swipe cards with magnetic stripes and have them encoded with passwords. Finally, assign these cards to your staff members. Once the cards are assigned to your staff, it's time to link them to Sapaad POS. To do this, log into your Sapaad POS and go to Setup, then Staff. Search for the staff member using the search field and click the corresponding Edit button. Select the swipe card number field and then swipe the card on the attached magnetic stripe reader. Click Update. You've now successfully added the swipe card for that particular user. To log in using their swipe cards, visit pos.sapaad.com/users/login_swipe. Then swipe the card on the magnetic stripe reader, and the user will be able to log in without entering their username and password. And there you have it. You've implemented swipe cards for your staff in Sapaad POS. Watch more videos on managing your Sapaad users. Check out our video on changing access rights and permissions in Sapaad. Want to learn more? Click on the link below to book a demo.